Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring Google Workspace, an all-in-one productivity suite designed to streamline your work and collaboration. Whether you're managing tasks, hosting meetings, or sharing documents, Google Workspace has you covered. Let's dive right in and see how you can use it to boost your productivity. What is Google Workspace? Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, includes tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and more. It's built for collaboration, offering seamless integration across apps to keep your projects and communication in one place. Key features to get started. 1. Professional email with Gmail. Set up your custom domain for professional email addresses. Utilize features like labels, filters, and smart inboxes to keep everything organized. 2. Store and share files with Google Drive. Keep all your files securely stored and accessible from anywhere. Use shared drives for team projects and easily control access permissions. 3. Collaborate in real time with Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations simultaneously with your team. Use comments, suggestions, and version history to track changes. 4. Seamless communication with Google Meet and Chat. Schedule and host virtual meetings directly from your Google Calendar. Use Google Chat for quick conversations and team discussions. 5. Organize your day with Google Calendar. Set reminders, schedule tasks, and share your calendar to coordinate with colleagues. Integrates with all Workspace apps for efficient scheduling. Why use Google Workspace? Ease of use. Intuitive interface with powerful tools. Collaboration, perfect for teams working remotely or in office. Cloud access, work from any device, anytime. Security, advanced protection for your data and privacy. Pro tip for beginners. Explore Google Workspace templates for Docs and Sheets. They're great for getting started with reports, budgets, or meeting notes. Also, try using add-ons to customize and enhance your workflows. That's it for today's guide on Google Workspace. Start integrating these tools into your daily workflow, and you'll notice a significant productivity boost. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.